Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the 58th edition of the Vintage Statesman Vintage and Classic Car Rally. So today we have with us this beautiful red vintage beauty, the MG, and we are in talks with its owner, Mr. Thakur. Mr.
Hi,
Thakur,
how are you?
absolutely fine. How are you?
Excellent.
Yeah. So, Mr. Thakur, can you just tell us a little bit about this beauty of yours?
So this is our 1950 Lal Pari.
Okay.
We've had this since I was 3 years old.
So you have named it Lal Pari.
Yeah.
And what is the reason behind naming it as Lal Pari?
So when I was 3, all the bedtime stories that my mom used to tell me were adventures in this one.
Okay.
And it would go through mountains, it will go through different countries, and it would save us,
All right.
from all the trouble. So that's
Okay.
how it got its name, because it was red.
Okay.
So Lal, and then like an angel, a fairy. That's how. And last year we thought, why not recreate those dreams into reality? And we drove this 73-year-old car from India all the way to UK.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, and we're the first Indians to do it. We drove 14 countries and 13,500 kilometers.
Lovely. And who all were there in this beautiful journey?
Yeah, we did this as a family, so 3 generations. So my father, who's 75, my daughter, who's 21, and my wife, all 4 of us did this journey together.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm sure that's actually a dream, journey that anyone can think of. So, Mr. Thakur, can you please tell us about Sardar Patel's statue out here that you have put up? What is the story behind this?
So, when we were doing this journey, I wanted the journey to represent modern India.
Okay.
And like any, you have a Rolls Royce, you have the Flying Spirit. We thought, why not have, the person who united our country together in this day and age and spread that message of unity through Sardar Patel. So, in my own patriotic way, I wanted it to represent, Sardar Patel or an Indian on a British vehicle traveling around the world.
You wanted to tell the world that we own it.
Yeah, and so that, we specially designed this. Shri Krishnaya Chetty, they're one of the top jewelers of the country,
Okay.
and 150-year-old jewelers. They specially commissioned, we commissioned this sterling silver hood ornament.
All right.
And on 31st of October last year, we handed this over to King Charles, from the people of India to the people of UK, through the Lord Lieutenant, who's the representative of King Charles in Oxfordshire.
That's
So that's our, that's our India pride that we wanted to carry on this journey.
That's lovely. And why did you choose this particular destination for your journey?
So, Lal Pari, being a British manufactured car,
Okay.
it has given so much joy to us all through our lives. We thought, why not spread that joy across the world
Yeah.
and take Lal Pari back to where it was manufactured.
Okay.
So we have a small plaque on the dashboard
All right.
which says, I have visited the Abingdon factory in UK.
Great. Lovely.
So that's a little story of Lal Pari.
So I hope all of you are there to see this beauty at the rally tomorrow at Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. See you there tomorrow.
Thank you so much.